Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to sign up for Bank of America. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that little subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in www.bankofamerica.com and you'll end up in the official web page of Bank of America. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and enter your credentials in the left-hand side of the screen and click on the login button. But if you've not enrolled into online banking yet, click on the enroll link. To get started, you must provide the following information. Enter the last 6 digits of your account number or your card number in the first text box. Soon after you do that, head over to the next field and type in your social security number or your tax ID number. If you don't have a social security number or tax ID number, click on this Don't Have an SSN or TIN link and follow the on-screen prompts. After entering your information, click the Continue button. On the next page, simply follow the on-screen prompts, and that way you'll be able to sign up for Bank of America. Once you enroll into online banking for Bank of America, you can check your balance, view your transactions, send and receive funds right from your mobile devices or your computer. That was how you can easily sign up for Bank of America. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.